We're gonna go get in the Lightning first. So we're here at the Portland International Auto Show. This is great. You guys got to see this. Okay, here's the big Jeep, Dodge booth, trucks, minivans, Jeeps over there. Their big ass Jeep sign right here. Let's check this out. Some of you may already be able to see it, but hiding back here behind the sign is the brand new electric charger. They have it hidden at the auto show. You think that this would be out in the front, but no. They have it back here behind this big ass sign, hidden away. Huh. Must not be very proud of this thing. And it's $85,000 as it sits here. What? Sad, sad day. What are we doing?
Gonna go drift around, have fun.
We're gonna go squeal some tires.
Because I've been hearing people do it all day and I want to do it.
We're gonna go do that.
I know the bus looks like so much fun.
We'll go. We're gonna go get in the lightning first.
He's up front. The little girl is up front.
Hey guys.
Hello. Good. What?
Excited? Yes.
Big Wayne.
Discover now on the pulse. Yeah. Everyone is good?
Yep.
Hey. What could be called a little fast? Worst. Or sufficient reason. When you start to
Yes. Look up. This top. Good job, so.
Are we ready? Yep. Oh, about to say some.
That's nice.
Put your seatbelt on, son.
Yes, dear. Where is my seatbelt?
It's back there a little ways.
Oh.
Watch your face.
All right, perfect. If you look up, you got our electrochromatic steering.
Wow.
All right.
That's pretty cool.
Let me show you what she can do. You familiar with EVs?
Sorta.
You plug them into the wall, right?
All right. Yep. Well, they have incredible instant torque. You can go 0 to 60 in 6 seconds, and we're gonna not do that much, but see what it can do right now. You ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
Well, that's how they stop right there, and then it usually it'll pump it. I mean, go. All right. And then people out here probably saw Dad.